And welcome back to Connectors 101 by Crush and Ag Supply, and today we're going to continue on our training series for Metri-Pack 480. Like the other series, we're going to do a quick review and what you need to know about Metri-Pack overall. There are two versions. There is a sealed and an unsealed connector kit, and the ones we're going to talk about are going to be the sealed version with the rubber seal. And again, like the other videos, we're going to talk about quickly identifying what kind of connector or what series it is by the width of the terminal blade, which is if it's a 150 series, 1.5, or 280 series of 2.8, and so on. Now, if you're going to make the pull-to-seat connection, they only require two pieces, a terminal and a connector body, and those are available in the 150 series and the 630. Otherwise, the standard connections are going to require 4 parts to make the connection. So hopefully this will kind of break it down and make it just a little bit easier to understand the Metri-Pack framework. These are the series that we're going to cover: the 150, the 280, 480, and 630 series, and both the 150.2 and the 630 in the pull-to-seat versions. And a quick snapshot of the different types of connectors. This is the 150 series, the 150.2, the 280 series, the 480 series, and the 630 series, and the 630 series pull-to-seat. Now, as we dig deeper into the 480 series, it's a much smaller configuration than what we had with the 150 or 280 series. The 480 series comes in a 2-circuit and 3-circuit. In our offerings, there is also a 4-circuit available that we don't normally sell. Now, these are going to be better for your high current power situations. And shown here in the configurations, we've got a female plug with their corresponding TPA lock. Much like the 150 series, the TPA locks are not gender specific, they're universal. And here are the male receptacles available with the corresponding TPA locks. To make a 480 series, just like the others, there are 4 parts that are required: a connector body, the wire or cable seal, a terminal or contact, and a TPA, the lock that goes on the back to hold wires in. Now, the female plug connection, its 4 parts are going to consist of the plug body, which is like the others, is also going to have the triple rib seal for weather tight protection, and then choose the appropriate wire seal. Traditionally on the 480 series, we will use the red cable seal. A lot of times we're using that for high current power, so it'll have a higher jacket and a bigger, thicker wire. And pick your socket terminal. The sockets always go with the female plugs and the corresponding circuit number for the TPA. On the male side, you've got the receptacle, which is always going to have the pins. Same thing with the cable seal, and then the pin and terminal contact, and the TPA that's matched to that. So a few of the specifications and the differences here. One big one: the resistance is higher. The cable range is a little bit, allows for bigger wire and cable. It does have a 42 amp max on the current range, and of course the blade width is a 4.8. Commonly used in the same aspects: a lot of under the hood and concealed compartments, agriculture, farm equipment, low voltage or high voltage. They are suited for the high current applications where the others have not been. And again, you want to have the 4 major components to complete your connection, and you can always get the extra CPA lock to ensure the connectors stay connected. And we offer these at Crush and Ag as a kit to make your life just a little bit easier. We have these as a -K kit, and you can order that as a female or as the male kit. And then we also have it as the PRK, which is the plug receptacle kit, where you get both the plug and the receptacle, the locks that go with it, and the seals, sockets, and pins. So it is one complete connection. So 480 series, not quite as heavy as the other series, but is very, very common. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot us an email: info@crushandag.com. We got more videos coming on the 630 series and sealed and pull-to-seat, a video on how to properly crimp, how to use the removal tools, and the applications in which they're used in. So if you've learned something today, we ask that you subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever it is, and you can always find us on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere else that you find quality social media. After that, we appreciate it, and thanks a lot, and you all have a great day.